Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you some blocks so in the future we can check and see what kind of blocks what we can do from these blocks. So you can see there's a two Mbot2 chassis blocks. Okay, so let's go from here, this one, and let's find out what are these blocks and what we can do from these blocks. Okay, so let me go and get this move forward block. Okay, so what is this block is, and what are the benefit from this block? Okay, so Makeblocks Mbot2 move forward, move backward, turn left or turn right at the specified speed for the specified period. So Mbot2 will go forward at a speed of 50 rpm for 1 second. You can change this time any time you want to depend on your projects. Let's do a diagram example. Okay, so we have a road. Okay, so we have a road and this is our car Mbot2. Okay, so I can see this road speed limit is 25 per second. Okay, so this road you can go only 25 per second for rpm. So what I'm going to do here is so we have a time, so its time also going same as this at the speed of the road. So this is time. So think that this is 25 seconds. Okay, so all seconds, and this is 50 and this is 100 and this is 200 and so forth. Okay, so now what we need to do here is, if you want to program, so the Mbot need to move forward at the speed limit is 25, so we put 25. Okay, and we need to move forward the Mbot2 to at least for 100 seconds. Okay, so this is the target. We need to stop in here. Okay, so when Mbot2 move, it will stop here for 100 seconds. So for that we need to put 100 seconds. So this is like an example that the Mbot2 move forward 25 rpm and it will stop 100 seconds. Okay, so time and the speed going as same in the block, both go together, so Mbot2 can stop in a right specified period. Okay, let's go to the next one. I'm going to put this one here. Let's take the next block. So move forward at 50 rpm. So what's the difference? The difference is this block go C25. So the one previous one, it will stop at 100 seconds. So this block is not going to stop. Okay, so this one will go forever for 25 speed limit. Okay, 25 speed limit is not, it will go forever. It's not going to stop. For that, you need to have stop encoder mode on, so then it will stop. It's like so you need to have like a stop sign or something like that. Okay, so then it will go and it will stop here. So you need to have stop encoder mode on. So it will like a freeway, it will go forever like 25 per rpm and it will stop. If we have the put this block, then it will stop, otherwise it will go forever. So that's the difference. It will, this one automatically from 100 seconds it will stop, and this one it will go forever. So let's go get the next block. So this one is move forward 100 centimeter. So what this block do? So this one make Mbot2 move forward, move backward. Okay, move forward or move backward the specific distance. So let me show you another one. So the Mbot need to move forward. Okay, and excuse me. So the distance, let's see this. My pen is not good. So let's see. It's okay. So this is the distance. So we have a distance like 10 cm, 50 cm, and 100 cm. Okay. So now the speed, the move forward will go same as distance. So these two work together. Okay. So when we put 100 centimeter, the Mbot2 move forward and it will stop at 100 centimeter. So it will calculate how distance needs to go, and it will automatically stop. How about this one? Turn left. So this block is you can turn left or turn right at specific degrees. So my previous video I show you how to do the calculation, how to know what is 90 degrees and 180 degrees, you know. So please check my previous videos so you have a good understanding how this works, how this degrees level how to you can use for your projects. It's very important. Okay, and how about this one? So what this block do? So make the specific wheel. Okay, mBuild2 rotate, can rotate left in one or right in one or all. Okay, at the specific speed rpm or a specific power, specified power for specific specified time. So the robot will turn left, rotates, or turn right and rotate speed of 50 rpm for 1 second, same as the one we talked about earlier, but this time it will rotate. So this is good to do some when you do a project, you can rotate your specific wheel. Okay, how about this one? So this is same, right? So this is same. So this, the difference is like the previous one we was talking about. This will do the same, turn right or turn right at a specific speed limit, but it's not going to stop. It will do forever like a loop. For that you need to have this one to stop. In some projects it's good to have specific projects. We'll talk about those kind of projects in the future videos. For now, for understanding of all these blocks, is this not going to stop and this will stop at 1 second. Okay, let's go to the next one. So what these block 2. Okay, so this one makes the specified encoder motor, okay, left, right, or all rotate specified degrees. So the same one like before, and this time it rotates 280 degrees. So this one going to stop, because if we change that encoder motor on the right will rotates by 180 degrees, and after it will start from the 0 to 90, 60 and 180, and it will stop. So like that, there's a, you don't need to have a stop button. This will automatically stop after it came to the specific degrees level. What about this one? Okay, so let me pull up that one. So this one is makes the two encoder motors. Okay, encoder motor in 1 rotates as 50, encoder motor 2 rotates 50. So it makes the two encoder motors Mbot2 rotate at specific speed. Okay, so this one will both we can rotate in specific speed. You can do some testing like 25, probably this one 50, and see how Mbot2 react when you put these numbers, and see and do some testing and see, because some when you change it you can get a depend on your project and how the Mbot2 need to rotate, and how what is the angle level, and you can change it and see. So next one is we're going to take this one. Okay, so let me grab that one. Okay, so what this does do, so makes the two encoder motor of Mbot2 rotate at specific power. Okay, so EM1 and EM2 rotates 50% of the power. Okay, so we'll talk about all this power in my next upcoming videos. For now, this is another option. Like if you take this one, it will rotates RPM, the speed. Okay, and this is the power. Rotate from the power. You can do testing and see how this works, and you can change and see, and I believe this is going to be the same. okay, but you can choose which option, RPM or power. Okay, should be the same results. Okay, so what's next? So this is stop encoder motors, everything. So let's go to this one and see what this block will do. Okay, so this one is report the speed or power of the specific encoder motor. So you can encode on EM1 or EM2 rotation, speed of power. Okay, so for this we need to have more blocks. So it will come here like some projects you can't use this because did you see that the shape of this one? They're supposed to go to another block. Okay, in the upcoming videos I will show you. You can use these shapes to add it to another block. So let's keep it this here. How about this one? This one is red angle, the same thing as I show you here. Okay, this block also like added to another block, so you can use it. Okay, so all these round shape is a different blocks that you can use to do something extension, like block extension, something like that. Let me show you what. Take this one. Display. See, like that. I mean, it's not the right. I mean, if you do a project, you can you can use the correct one. I want to show you like example how these blocks going. So normally these blocks are joining to another block, so it will do more things like this. Okay, so for now just remember this, that these blocks are like extension to another block, so you can do more things. Let's keep this one here. Okay, so we have only 2 of these on this extension pack, so let's check out this. What is this one is? So this one resets the number of degrees the specified encoder motors rotates. Okay, so reset encoder motor rotate angle. So the previous one we can rotate, right? This one is will do the reset button. So if you use this one, it will reset your program, the blocks that you do. And how about this one? So let's take this one and see what's the difference. Okay, the difference on this. Go back and the hold on. Oh, that's my pen. I'm trying to get my pen. Okay, I got it. So this one is enables or disable the auto lock function. Okay, enables or disable the auto lock functions of a specific encoder motors. So it will lock, enables or disable auto lock. So these are blocks we will talk about more in my upcoming lessons. So how do we use this block? Okay, the autolock function is disabled by default. Okay, so we can enable autolock. So calibrate parameters. So what is this calibrate? So we can use this for reset and calibrate any parameter, but also these ones we will talk about upcoming videos. These two, okay, these two and these three we will talk about upcoming videos. For now, I think you have clear understanding how this block works and what kind of projects we can use. Thank you for watching my my video, and we'll see you in my next lesson.